All right, so now that we did that, we built a code base. So let's see if we can use that code base with other distributions. Quite frankly, because I'm when it comes to coding, it's smart to reuse it. So I'm going to just take this cell and paste it somewhere else. And not uniform between 0 and 1, I'm going to say discrete uniform between 3, and it doesn't have to start from 1, 3 to 12, all right? 3 to, 8, doesn't matter. Let's change it, 3 to 16, right? Doesn't matter, right? All right, so here is where we are going to change. That's it. Random data, rand int between what and what? Between 3 and 16, and both ends are included. So I'm taking how many samples? 200. You can change it to 500. You can change it to 1 million. So this has nothing to do with the central limit theorem, all right? We take samples of size 200 just to be able to plot the histogram, all right? That number is irrelevant. Plot histogram of samples, that is good. I'm going to take this again. Now I'm taking samples of integer uniform between 3 and 16, samples of size 4, okay, and samples of size 30. There we go, and magic. There we go. So let me actually, because this is a little bit, let me get rid of plots. Let's plot this. All right, so this is not a pretty one. There we go. Between what and what? Between 3 and 16, roughly between 3 and 16, right? This is your population. But of course, it's supposed to be a lot more uniform. I mean, if you want to see that uniformity, so increase this to 2,000, get bigger samples, and you're going to get that to some extent, all right? Let's go back to 200, all right? There we go. Now, I'm plotting just a histogram of population, but of course, samples a limited sample. And then I take samples of size 4 and calculate X bar and plot it. Let's see what we get. When I take samples of size 4, of course, the red one is less spread. It's a little bit more contained, right? And of course, the shape starts looking like a bell-shaped distribution. If I keep pushing it and add a black, which is going to be gray because of that alpha, it is supposed to be, again, normal bell shape and spread less. All right, let's plot this. And clearly the black one or the gray one here, you see that it's bell shape and it's spread a lot less, right? Let me just, I will record a bunch of other videos with other implementations, all right?